Hello people and welcome back to PEI Dashcam channel, a channel that features some of the latest and craziest road encounters out there. This episode will not disappoint you because we prepared a crazy mix of various road encounters. All the clips used are for educational purposes and are there to help you learn. So without any further ado, let's get started. Listen people, Prius drivers are something else. The road conditions are bad as it is because of the snowstorm, but that didn't prevent him from cutting right in front of the camera. It's really scary when drivers pull out onto the road without looking. The ones who do that are dangerous because they don't think about anyone's safety. Doing the speed limit was apparently not enough for semi-truck driver here. He had to show off and drive way above the speed limit. And for what? Driver thought he could pass around the bus as he pleased, but he soon turned back into his lane when he noticed an approaching vehicle. There is a time and place for everything and he misjudged it this time.
in charge of the whiteboard by accounting, and he said he was the one who wrote that Steve was robbed after the Emmys that one year. Oh, I love it! I love Steve.
Look at you, you're like over there mixing up plants. You're writing secret messages on the
Message? Yes! He told me that this job was just his favorite, and it was wonderful, and we just talked about...
This camera caught a lot of red light runners on his dashcam. It's really concerning to see this much people not paying attention to the traffic lights at all. It just took one red light runner and other quickly followed his steps. With this clip we conclude another episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning something out of all the mistakes you saw. Make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button because it really helps this channel a lot. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.